In a world driven by chaos, noise, and distraction, the greatest victory a man can achieve is not over others, but over himself. The Stoics taught that true power lies not in domination, wealth, or fame, but in self-mastery. To master yourself is to rise above emotion, temptation, and fear. It's the art of becoming your own ruler, calm, unshaken, and free. In this video, we'll explore how to master yourself as a Stoic, step by step, with timeless wisdom that still shapes great men today. 1. Control what you can, accept what you can't. At the foundation of Stoicism lies a simple but profound principle: control. You can't control how others treat you, but you can control how you respond. You can't control the storms of life, but you can control how you sail through them. The Stoic learns to separate the controllable from the uncontrollable, conserving his energy for what truly matters. When you stop trying to control the world, you begin to control yourself. 2. Rule your emotions before they rule you. The Stoic man understands that emotions are powerful, but they must never be allowed to lead. Anger, envy, lust, and fear are storms that cloud judgment. To master yourself, you must become the calm observer of your inner world. Pause before reacting. Observe before speaking. When you can remain calm in situations that once made you break, you have begun to master yourself. Emotional control isn't weakness, it's strength refined by discipline. 3. Discipline is the highest form of freedom. Most people think freedom is doing whatever they want. The Stoic knows that true freedom is not being a slave to your desires. Discipline is the key to mastering yourself, waking up when you said you would, saying no when temptation calls, focusing when distractions whisper. Discipline may feel like restriction, but in truth, it's liberation. A disciplined man is free because he is not ruled by impulse, laziness, or emotion. 4. Train your mind through reflection. A Stoic doesn't rush through life blindly. He pauses, reflects, and learns from each experience. Every night, Marcus Aurelius would review his day, asking where he acted wisely and where he failed to live up to his principles. This daily reflection sharpens awareness and strengthens character. To master yourself, make self-reflection a habit. Ask yourself daily, did I act according to my values today? That question alone can transform your life. 5. Embrace discomfort and seek challenge. Comfort weakens the soul. The Stoic masters himself by stepping willingly into discomfort. Whether it's enduring silence, physical training, or resisting pleasures, every act of discipline strengthens your inner armor. Seneca once said, "A gem cannot be polished without friction." The same is true for your character. When you embrace discomfort, you train your spirit to stay strong under pressure. 6. Silence your ego. The ego is the greatest enemy of mastery. It craves validation, attention, and praise. The Stoic, however, seeks truth, not applause. To master yourself, you must silence your ego's constant noise. Be humble in victory, patient in defeat. Understand that every moment of arrogance blinds you to wisdom. Humility keeps your mind open and your spirit teachable. The man who can silence his ego controls his destiny. 7. Live by principles, not feelings. Feelings change like the wind, but principles are eternal. A Stoic lives according to values: honesty, courage, patience, justice. These principles are his compass, guiding him through confusion and chaos. When you act on principles, not impulses, you gain stability and self-respect. The world may test your patience, but your principles will keep you steady. Mastery begins when your values remain unshaken, no matter the storm. 8. Remember, mastery is a lifelong practice. Self-mastery isn't a goal you reach, it's a path you walk daily. Some days you'll fail, some days you'll rise, but each test strengthens you. The Stoic accepts that mastery takes time, repetition, and patience. Every setback is a lesson, every victory a reminder that growth never ends. When you choose progress over perfection, discipline over comfort, wisdom over reaction, you have truly begun to master yourself.